Thinking about switching from ClickFunnels? GoHighLevel gives you everything you need to replace it and more. GoHighLevel has a drag and drop funnel builder just like ClickFunnels, but with unlimited pages and funnels included with your plan. No extra cost. Unlike ClickFunnels, GoHighLevel comes with a full CRM. This means you can track leads, manage pipelines, and follow up all in one place. GoHighLevel's automation is where it really shines. You can send emails, texts, voicemails, and even trigger sales tasks without needing third-party tools. Want to host courses or memberships, content? GoHighLevel makes it seamless, so you don't need Kajabi or Teachable on the side. With ClickFunnels, you might end up stacking tools and paying hundreds each month. With GoHighLevel, you get an all-in-one platform at one price. And that's why GoHighLevel can completely replace ClickFunnels. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.